Hey guys, Justin Maguna, co-founder of Kuju Coffee here, and today we're going to teach you how to brew single serve pour over from our 1 cup pouches. So first you'll want to take one of our 1 cup pouches and tear it open. There's a little notch right at the edge, and take the filter out. Remember, there are directions on the back, so if you're ever confused, you can either watch this video or look at the directions on the back. I'm going to take this guy off. And when you take out the filter, you'll have the filter with coffee inside. And what you'll want to do is tear the filter open right at the top. There's a perforation under the text that says open, and you can just tear it open kind of all the way across. The next step is to anchor it to your mug. So open the anchors, place it on your mug, and a pro tip is to fold the anchors back just like this, which will give it more security and it will keep the filter more stable on the cup as you're brewing. Once you confirm that the filter is secure on the mug, take your hot water, just about 200 degrees, and pour slowly. Let it drip through and repeat until you get about 8 to 12 ounces of coffee. It should take about 1 to 2 minutes. Once you've poured enough water to fill up your cup, if you can brew about 8 to 12 ounces depending how strong you like your coffee, you can let your filter sit in the mug for a little bit, a stronger cup. Once you're done, you could pull up the anchors, bring it up to the top like so, create the little bag, and put it away. Then, all you have to do is enjoy your freshly brewed cup of Kuju coffee.